Okay, so this is a 2002 Nissan Pathfinder, and what I found online was what somebody recommended, which is moving the knock sensor. The knock sensor is here or there, and I've routed the line up underneath, up in here, so basically looks factory. And then I've got a factory clip. This is the factory wiring, and I've plugged in to make sure that it works, and I've pulled out the old factory pins. This is the old factory harness. I've clipped it off. I have abandoned the old knock sensor, and as far as anybody knows, it's going to look good. It's going to look factory, and that's it for now. This is for the code P0327. Thanks. I'm trying to show you the internals of the connector. The white piece inside needs to come out, and then here that is with showing where the white piece is out, and then you can get at the pins. Here we are showing the connection of the cable into the factory harness. Okay, so the final look of replacing the knock sensor and moving into a new one. The knock sensor again is in front, right here, kind of where my finger is pointing, down in there from earlier. Let's see. There you go. That is the knock sensor. That is the new cable harness. It is tucked up inside, and I went underneath and then back and around. Now this is the original connector. I took the pins out. I actually cut the cable right here that goes to this end of the original connector, and then popped the pins out of the old connector and put the two wires in from the new replacement cable into the old connector, so it all looks factory. Now what I used that is really neat is Dorman part number 917141, which is a knock sensor and cable combined for a 99 Nissan Maxima, I believe, or 99. And basically it goes up, replaces, and works beautifully. It solves the P0327 problem, and this is all built on information that I got from another YouTube video, and thank you very much for all that information. I just made it look nicer and cleaner, and then shrinking back, and then all this, the engine cover will cover up, but nobody will be the wiser. Thanks for watching.